How to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on your profile over here at the bottom right, and once you do so, you gotta click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And over here you'll be redirected to settings and activity. So what you're going to do is click on the search and search for data usage and media quality, and over here you gotta toggle on this option that says upload at highest quality. So just toggle it on, and then you're gonna go back and go to these three horizontal lines again to your settings and privacy, and over here this time you're gonna go to search bar and search for archiving and downloading. So just click on archiving and downloading, and here you're going to toggle this on, that is save original photos. I've already toggled it on, but if you haven't, then you can toggle it on. So once you do so, you'll be able to see that whichever picture you post will be downloaded into your gallery. Now if you wish to download the video or photo of another person on Instagram has updated their application, and you can do that from app, and that is totally legal. So you can click on this reel icon over here and select the reel that you wish to download. So for example, this is the reel that you wish to download. So you can click on this icon over here, and then you can scroll all the way to the right and click on download over here. Now it depends on the creator that whether they have enabled the option of download or not, and if they have, then you're good to go and you can save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. So that is basically how you can save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.